Ronaldo's channel, You Are Cristiano, grew from 0 to 12.6 million subscribers same day it was launched, and it's not because he was popular, but the genius strategy he and his team used to kickstart the channel. And as I'm recording this video, 3 weeks from when the channel was launched, it's sitting at 62 million subscribers and also gets 2.06 million subscribers every single day. What's his genius strategy and how can you use it to grow your YouTube channel or also kickstart your own fresh YouTube channel and grow very fast? Upon 1 month of research into You Are Cristiano's YouTube channel, I've got his secret and I'll expose him today for you to also use this genius plan to also grow your own YouTube channel. The first genius strategy that they used is curiosity gap. So if you look through Cristiano Ronaldo's channel, the first videos on it were videos which were meant to also excite fans and also people who like Cristiano Ronaldo, so you wouldn't know what's coming exactly on the channel. So this video was meant to push up people's curiosity. In this case, people would like to subscribe and also wait for the videos that would also come, because there were videos of him doing his own thing, videos of him playing football, videos of him with other popular footballers. The second genius strategy they used is the video length. The first couple of videos on Cristiano Ronaldo's channel were less than 2 minutes and some were even a few seconds. Now you know the YouTube algorithm has changed and now we have click-through rates and also retention rates. So this means that when people see the video and they click on it, how long do they also watch it? And the longer they retain the audience, they also get to push this video out. And you know, Cristiano Ronaldo is already popular, and when people see his videos, they will also automatically subscribe and also interact with these videos. Now you can see from Cristiano Ronaldo's channel that the videos were 1 minute long, 2 minutes long. This means that when someone comes here and even watch 1 minute of the video, he or she have watched 50% of that, and this is a big number on YouTube. When you get someone to watch about 50% of your video, this video will get to be pushed out massively. That is why Cristiano Ronaldo and his team also uploaded videos which were just some few seconds and few minutes long. So this means that when starting your channel, you should also start with some short videos. I'm not talking about 1 minute, but at least 4 minutes to 5 minute video, in order to also get more retention, and your video will also get to be pushed out more to more people. The next key strategy that they used is consistency. So on Cristiano Ronaldo's channel, more than 15 videos were uploaded same day the channel was created. I'm not advising you to post 15 videos on your channel, but this was also a great strategy that they use, meaning they are uploading consistently, and due to this and due to him being popular already, these videos will all get to be pushed out to people, and he has various fans. So if you don't like this one, you would also like this one, and definitely you will subscribe to his channel. Combining that with the video length and the curiosity gap, this made it the perfect strategy in order to blow up a channel from the first day that it was also launched. You can also apply all of these to your channel and also tell me how it also goes when you start it, or also start creating videos on your channel. All right, so to the final decision here, if you think Messi is the GOAT, make sure you like this video, but if you think Cristiano Ronaldo is the GOAT, don't forget to also subscribe to this channel. Let's see who wins this challenge.